So I promised you guys in my previous video that I will open up my mentorship program this very month. Well, I'm happy to announce to you that I've officially opened my Amazon KDP mentorship program. So if you are interested in working together with me to make sure that you succeed in KDP, I would show you exactly how you can join the program, what you should expect from the program, how long it's going to last, and how much it's going to cost. So let's start with how you can join this program. There's a link in my description that you are going to click on, and when you click on that link, it will take you to my WhatsApp number. In that WhatsApp number, you are going to book a time that you are going to call me, and both of us are going to talk. So when you call me, I'll ask you some questions to know where you are in your journey on KDP, and some other questions to determine if I'm going to work with you or not. The conversation is going to last for like 5 to 10 minutes. After the conversation, a few days later, I would send you a message to let you know if you have been selected to join the mentorship program or not. So for the question of how long the program will last, the program is divided into 3 programs. There's a 1-month program, there's a 2-month program, and there's a 3-month program. So depending on what you want, you are going to choose the program that suits you best. The programs will be held 2 times in a week and 2 hours in a day. So what would you expect from this program? Well, it depends on where you are in your KDP journey. If you have just started KDP or you have been into KDP for a while and you have not made any money from it, I'll start teaching you from the fundamentals and show you how you can start making money as soon as possible. Then if you have been into KDP but you have not made up to $1,000 since you started, I'll be showing you what you should do to grow your sales from wherever you are to where you want to be. Lastly, if you have made up to $1,000 on KDP and you want to go above that, I'll be showing you exactly what you should do to grow to where you want to be. So you will choose your program depending on how long you want to work with me. For those of you that want to work for 1 month, you choose the 1-month program. For those of you that want to work for 2 months, you choose the 2-month program. If you want to work with me for 3 months, you choose the 3 months program. Typically, the longer, the better. But if you can learn in 1 month, no problem. Before I forget, I'm creating my course on KDP and it's scheduled to come out by the grace of God towards the end of the year. The course is going to be for $100, and if you are part of my mentorship program, you automatically qualify to get the course free of charge. So that's a huge advantage for those of you that want to join the mentorship program. The final question is, how much is it going to cost? So for those of you that are in Nigeria, the 1-month program will cost 100,000 naira. But for those of you that are not in Nigeria, the 1-month program will cost $250. Then for the 2 months program, those of you that are in Nigeria, it's going to cost 150,000 naira. And then for those of you that are not in Nigeria, it's going to cost $350. Finally, for those of you that want to do the 3 months program, if you're in Nigeria, it's going to cost 200,000 naira. Then for those of you that are not in Nigeria, it's going to cost $450. So after you have applied for the mentorship program and you receive your message that you have been selected, the payment details will be sent to you. So as soon as payment is confirmed, the link to join, the days and the time will be sent to you. Please bear in mind that I cannot take everybody that applies. I can only take about 10 to 15 persons. And this is going to be the only mentorship program I'll be holding this year. The next mentorship program will be next year. The application period is going to start this very day on the 29th of June and it's going to last till the 8th of July. Bear in mind that you can only call me on Thursdays, Fridays, and Saturdays during this application period. Lastly, if you join this program and you feel you're not getting any value for your money, I'll be happy to send the money back to you. You don't even have to explain to me. Just tell me you want a refund and I'll be giving your money back. To click the link in the description, choose your time and let us talk on WhatsApp so we can work together to make you succeed in KDP. And if you have any questions whatsoever, let me know in the comment section. I'll reply your comments. See you on WhatsApp.